Chinese GPS review. So I bought one of the FOD Motorsports 4.3 inch smaller one. Um, you know, I watched the reviews on it for a year or so, and it seemed kind of promising. I knew the software wasn't supported anymore, but this unit is 1 week old. It has about 60 miles on it, on the bike, and it's never actually worked. What's funny is I mounted it up, ran the power cable, I put my address in, everything seemed to work here at the kitchen table, put it on the bike with the handlebar clamp mount, nothing special, and then went around the neighborhood. It said I was going 25, 26 miles an hour, showed the streets, everything was okay. And now this morning I went to leave for a ride with some friends, and this is the only screen it does now. Doesn't matter how many times power it down, power it off. If I press and hold the button again. By the way, it does have a full battery. And I'll come back up. And that's it. I had some problems with the seller. They were sold out of the black model. As you can see, this is the green one. I ordered it in orange trim, and they accidentally sent a green one, and they said that their packer made a mistake and that they normally charge more for the green one and that I would like the green one very much. Well, I don't really like the whole unit at all, so gonna go ahead and pony up and get the Garmin unit. I will say that the rack and stuff that it comes with, and the power cable, that's all pretty well made actually. Has a little stylus on the back side where my just behind my thumb you can pull out from the top and touch the screen with, which I've tried that, by the way, as well, to no avail. But as another reviewer had stated, the software is not supported anymore with this unit. And that's really what you're paying for, is the software and stuff. So I just really recommend that you save your money and move on up to the real motorcycle GPS. And those of you that say, the Garmin, just buy a car one and stuff like that, well, it uses the micro charge port, and usually it can't handle the vibration. I've run into that because I've tried a couple of the small Garmin's, standard ones, and they all have that issue after a short period of time, a few weeks, month, or whatever. The charge port, the vibration, it just doesn't hold up. So with the contacts here in the back, right there, Garmin and TomTom Rider all have pretty much the same thing. It's very difficult or impossible to have a charging issue. But anyway, I hope I saved somebody some money and some grief. One other note I'd like to note about this: on a motorcycle where you can mount it pretty much vertical like this, you'll probably be able to see the screen at all times on the brightest setting. What happened on my particular bike, you have to be able to use it, because I'm on a sport bike, it has to lay down at more of an angle like this. So the sunshade doesn't do a whole lot of help for you. And when the sun's up around, from 11 to about 3 p.m., straight overhead, you can't see the map. You have to literally get over, shade it, and block it, and you just can't see it. So keep that in mind if you're going to try this anyway, that if you're going to mount it up like this, you'll probably be okay. But if you're going to mount it like this, you're not going to be able to see it on a sunny day.